From the world of sport, Tottenham Hotspur have claimed their first major trophy in 17 years after defeating Manchester United 1-0 in the 2025 UEFA Europa League final at the St. Mamés Stadium in Bilbao. The only goal of the night came in the 42nd minute when Brennan Johnson's strike took a deflection off United defender Luke Shaw and found the back of the net. Despite United enjoying more possessions, Tottenham's backline, anchored by Mickey van de Ven and goalkeeper Guillermo Vicario, withstood intense pressure in the second half. Van de Ven made a crucial goal line clearance to defend United an equalizer. The victory marks Spurs' first European silverware in over 4 decades and caps off a remarkable debut season for manager Ange Postecoglou.
17 for silverware, 41 for this. Tottenham on the UEFA.
With the win, Tottenham not only lifted the Europa League trophy but also secured a spot in the next season UEFA Champions League. It was a historic night for the North London club as fans celebrated a long-awaited return to glory on the European stage. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more sports news stories. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.